I don't get it. No matter what I do, I always end up getting defeated by the Power Rangers. Oh, come on, Prince Zuko. I think you're overreacting. Sorry. That's okay. I'm no different than the rest of my Fire Nation brothers and sisters. The Zuko siblings have always been pushed around and stepped on. But wait, that's it. Acting alone, I'm powerless. But united together, the Zuko siblings can be a real pain in the fanny. The Power Rangers may think one Zuko is bad enough, but let's see them take on 2, or 10, or 100, or 1,000. And why stop there? I'll gather every brother and sister from every corner of the Fire Nation, the entire Zuko siblings under one roof. The Power Rangers won't stand a chance against the staggering intellect of a million super smart criminal masterminds. They're here. Welcome, brethren. Hey, everybody, it's our brother Zuko. I've been away from home longer than I thought. It's me, Azula. And of course, you remember your brothers and sisters Yan Ra, Zhao, Lieutenant G, General Bu Jing, General Meng, General Shinu, Captain Lee, June, Mei, and Tai Li. Bottom line, help me defeat the Power Rangers, and you can have as many Mountain Dew as you can drink. Victory, thy name is Zuko. You and what army, Zuko? What army? Look around you. You planted grass? Grass? It's morphin' time. Red Chicken Ranger, Turkey, Blue Ranger, Penguin, Green Ranger, Flamingo, Pink Ranger, Duck, Yellow Ranger, Eagle, Quantum Ranger, Falcon, Silver Ranger, Swan, Black Ranger, Power Rangers Bird Rescue. Let's dance, Zuko. I thought you'd never ask. Prepare to die, Power Rangers. Me and my brothers and sisters will destroy you, and then the Fire Nation will rule the world. You and your brothers and sisters don't scare us, Zuko.